All right, we're out in the field with Hasnick Farms here in southern Michigan, and they're running 2 Claas Lexion combines and a Fendt 1050 pulling the Elmer's grain cart. This is an awesome setup to see, but I wanted to show you, Michigan runs some unique semi-trailers. You can run up to 8 axles on a semi-trailer in Michigan because they do it based on the weight per axle. So you get these unique setups with the grain trailers. So these are called breakup doubles. We've got a triaxle grain trailer, but it's a little shorter frame. And then if you notice on the back, you've got a hitch to pull another trailer the exact same size setup as this. So they'll run 2 trailers together when they're hauling to the grain elevator or longer distances. But in the fields, they'll leave them as the single trailers so they're easier to get in and out of the fields. But it's just kind of neat. Again, they're called breakup doubles, and I think you only see this kind of in Michigan. But just because of the unique axle laws. So pretty cool to see these out here, and then we're gonna go check out the combines now. Up in the cab with Andrew. We're getting ready to unload on the go from the Claas 8600. How do you like the Claas combines, Andrew?
Really like the Claas combines. They're one of the better combines we've had throughout the years. And started out running the 585s, and then just progressed from there, and now we're up to the 8600. Can't find anything to beat it yet, so.
What dealership in southern Michigan here sells the Claas?
So we actually have been working with Ohio Ag out of Napoleon, and that's going to change here because they're not going to be doing the ag side of stuff anymore, so we're going to be looking somewhere else to go.
Oh yeah, yeah. And we're running the grain cart with the Fendt 1038, and then you've also got another Fendt too, right?
Yep, so we got a 1050, and then we also have a Challenger 1050, which is basically the same thing.
Yeah.
Also, I haven't posted it on my page yet, but we do have a Fendt loader that's sitting in the shop today. It's a 720 with the cargo loader.
Yep. Ready to unload into some of these breakup double Michigan trailers. How many bushels can you put in each one of these?
950 is about all you get in there. Every now and then I'll keep them up, get almost 1,000.
Yeah. And the neat thing with these is you can hook them together, right? And
yeah.
So
that one right there would be the lead. And then, well, this is a different, older one we've had, so this would have been the lead when we had 2 Wilsons. But we've got another Timty that we hook together, and haven't set those.
And you're running the Elmer's Hallmaster. How many bushels is the grain cart?
1,300 bushel cart.
Yeah.
So we can get more on the cart than what we can put in the truck, but it helps with the efficiency of harvest.
And how's wheat harvest been going so far? Has weather been okay? Or?
Yeah, it's about the first tiny little sprinkles we've had all wheat harvest, and been able to put in some pretty good days with no delays or anything.
Yeah.
We're about halfway through wheat harvest right now, and then we'll move on to canola. That should be about ready by the time we get done.
I hope you love being out in the field with these Claas combines harvesting wheat in southern Michigan. If you love seeing tractors like this at work, please take a minute to subscribe to the Tractor Chasers channel so you don't miss any videos. Thanks for watching.